Hello, Hivers. Welcome to Honeybee Stamping Hive, where creative buzz is always in the air. I am Tashana Lundy, your independent Stampin' Up Demonstrator in Florida, serving customers all over the United States. And today, we're going to be working with the paper pumpkin. This is the September 2023 paper pumpkin kit. It is the one that comes, not comes with, but has an add-on available of this cute little journal that has stickers and pages to write on, to journal. It's the With Love and Gratitude paper pumpkin. Okay, of course, before we get this opened, we have to go over the buzzworthy business of the day. So let's start with our paper pumpkin kit for October, the home for the holidays paper pumpkin kit. That's going to make 8 cards. Comes with the Real Red Stampin' Spot and a bottle of glitter glue. Okay, this kit is going to coordinate with November's paper pumpkin kit. You do not have to have both of them to complete the kits. They just coordinate. All right, there's a link in the description box below for you to sign up for the paper pumpkin, and I would really appreciate if you do that. This is our September host code. This is the code I would like for you to use whenever you're placing an order with me. Unless your order is $150 or more, do not use this host code because you'll qualify for Stampin' Rewards, and Stampin' Rewards equals free products from Stampin' Up, and we don't want you to miss out on that. And again, please go on StampinUp.com and check out all of the online exclusive products that are only online, okay? Because we have a bunch of new papers. World Card Making Day is in October. I think it's October 6th, if I'm not mistaken. And there's a stamp set and punch bundle. But that is all of the buzzworthy business. Let's get into this paper pumpkin kit. That's why I can't talk. I keep looking at this box. Look how pretty that box is. Okay, this ink spot is Lost Lagoon. So let's get our Lost Lagoon stamp pad. Where is Lost Lagoon? Lost Lagoon. Whoops. There we have it. Here's our stamps. Oh, it's floral. With love and gratitude. Thanks, thank you, for you, and grateful for you. Cute. So this looks like it's the center for that flower. These are cute. Oh, look at this pretty green paper, like mossy meadow. So let's get this opened up. I have a full desk today, so I'm not sure how I can spread this out. So let's see what we're going to be making here. This is the, oh, they're not even full size. This look like a, okay, this is what the project. Let's open up. Let's stop guessing. Why do we have to guess when it's right here? We don't have to guess. You can just open up and see what it is, right? And let's get into it. Okay, so we have some tear and tape here. Always love adhesive, some dimensionals, some envelopes. Yeah, this is like a 3x3. Ooh, and they're lined all the way. Nope, just on the, all of this is lined, but this part is not. Okay, but that's still beautiful. Okay, and look at these little card bases. Oh, this is so cute. Okay, so we have that. And, oh, is this a box? It's a box. See, I forgot what it said it was gonna make. Oh my. These are boxes. We have a 3D project. I haven't done a 3D project in so long. And I love making 3D projects. I don't know why I haven't done one. Okay. I'm sitting here putting stuff together and I haven't even took the whole kit out yet. This is super cute though. Are you guys watching what I'm doing? I'm just burnishing the score lines. That's all I'm doing. There's score lines in here. Okay. So we have boxes that we already almost put together. Okay. So this kit has coordinating colors of Copper Clay, Crumb Cake, Lost Lagoon, Mossy Meadow, Pebbled Path, and Gold. These are some alternative projects here. This is everything that comes in the kit. And this is what we're making. So let's open it up. The only thing I don't see is any bling. But that's okay. Glue dots. I didn't see any glue dots either. Maybe they're still here. Okay, so we get a couple of sheets of that. Here's the glue dots. Man, you get a lot. Ooh, look at these little sentiment labels. So we have one that's bannered on both ends and one that's only bannered on one side. So we need that. We have 2 sheets of these. Ooh wee. Look at these gold foil. Oh, these embellishments are gorgeous. Oh, you got to be careful pulling them out. We don't want to tear them up. Okay, so you get 2 sheets of those. I don't even know what we need, how many, what we need. I'm just excited because these are pretty. Okay, so let's see. We're going to start with the card. So let's move some of this stuff to the side here. I'm going to sit this right here to the side. Let me get me some blocks because we need our stamp. So get a couple of, well, have one D block here. And we're going to use the longer image right here. Then we're going to put what sentiment? With love and gratitude for both. Okay. This is going to be cute. Put that there. So let's see. We got our card base. We're going to fold it in half. Let me get my bone folder and burnish that down. Excuse me. We get some scrap paper because it looks like we're going to be stamping off. So we're going to take the Lost Lagoon. Where did I put that cardboard? Because I need to prime my stamp. Do your first one. Make sure it's inking up good. So it looks like they have partial stamp here, a partial stamp there, and one about here, like that. Okay. And so then we're going to need to move this. Oh, get our sentiment label. Let's go ahead and stamp that. And this one is the one banner. So the one that only has banner on one side. And we want the banner facing the right. And I'm going to stamp this off to the side on my cardboard to make sure it's inking up pretty good. And we're going to stamp this onto our sentiment label. Very good. Oh, and I need thank you. I didn't get the thank you. We're going to get thank you because we're going to stamp that on the other sentiment layer while we have the ink out. So let's go ahead and get that stamped. Let's see here. I'm going to stamp that right in the middle. Whoop, like that. And I think that's the only stamping for the other project. Okay, so let's get this ink put away and we don't need it anymore. We can move our stamps. All right, so let's get to the project. So it's telling us we're going to need our sentiment, of course. We're going to need some leaves and one of each of these flowers. Oh, this is a pumpkin, not a flower. It's a pumpkin. Oh my gosh, I thought it was flowers. They're pumpkins. Okay. So we need pumpkins. Flowers. Where did I put my glue dots, you guys? Let's get our take your pick tool. Oops, sorry if I'm all in the camera. So we're going to need glue dots on the back of our sentiment. It says 3. Then we're going to need 1 glue dot on this. I don't know which part, so let's see. If it's up this way, it's probably right here. 1 glue dot right there. Then we're going to need glue dots on this one. I'm probably putting more than they say, but you know me and adhesive. Okay, and then the gold one we need, is it the big one or the little one? Let's see. I think it's the little one. Okay, so we got to put glue dots on the back of that. So we're going to put, let's turn it how they have it on the picture. 1 here. 1 here. I'm going to put it on that one. And then 1 over here. Okay. Am I confusing you guys with all this open? So now we have that. Let's put our dimensionals on. So we're going to need 3 on this larger pumpkin. And I'm going to say I need more. And then we need 2 on this smaller one, which I stuck 2 together. Oy. Put it right there. Now let's see. We're going to take this gold one and put it down first. We're going to have the glue dot backs all over the place. Is it the small one? It has to be because it's only 2 little leaves. Okay. Then we're going to take the leaves. I'm excited about this already because of that 3D box. I forgot that it was making a box. So this is going to go like so. Turn it, turn it, turn it. Over, 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 like that. Then we're going to put our big pumpkin down. I'm going to put that about right here. About like that. Let's see, about right there. We're going to get our little one. This is so cute. I thought these were flowers. So does that mean that's a pumpkin in the stamp set? Oy! And I thought it was a flower. We're going to put this one about right here. Uh-oh. Did I put the glue dot in the wrong place? No. Okay, and then we're going to get our sentiment. Am I even in frame? I'm so excited. I'm not even paying attention. Hopefully you're seeing what I'm doing. And our sentiment is going to go up here like this. Oh my gosh, that's so cute. This is super cute. I got stuff running through my head. Okay, let's move on. So now, to the box. So, it's telling us we have it up like this. Over this way. Lift up this flap. Keep this flap down. That's where we're putting our tape. So we're going to put tear and tape here. And here. Okay, then the next picture says to turn it over, and the tape's going there. And it says to put dimensionals right here, but I don't want to do that yet because I don't have anything in the box. So we won't do that part yet. So what we'll do is we're going to close it like this. Okay, so let's take the backing off of our tear and tape. I really like to. Okay. So we're going to put that in. We're going to try to keep it square so your box won't be all wonky. Try to keep it squared up before you stick it down. Let me see if I can sit it. Come on. Oy. Okay. It's not squared up yet. Don't stick. Okay. And then I'm going to take my bone folder, press it down. Okay. And then we're going to pinch the sides in. And then you would put the dimensionals to hold that down once you close it. So we're going to decorate the flap. So they have one of these, and they're getting glue dots. Okay, so take your pick tool to the rescue for the glue dots. So the glue dots are only going to be going at the end because that's the part that's going to be on the actual flap. You don't want to put them anywhere else, or you might glue your images down. Lord have mercy, I couldn't think. Okay, and on this one, let me see, I want to put one more. Let's do one more. On this one, we want to turn it over and put some glue dots on here. It'll help hold this one down. Let me see, they have it like this. So then they have one right here. And one all the way up here. Okay, I trust you. So let's go ahead and remove the backings from the back side. Probably should have decorated it before we even put the bag together. We're gonna have that about right there. Gonna pull these glue dots off. Well, the backings, not the actual glue dots. Take the backing off of this one. And then we're gonna sit this right over like that. Okay. Then we have our sentiment. That's gonna get dimensionals. So we're gonna put some dimensionals on our sentiment. I keep grabbing two dimensionals and sticking them together. I've been doing that a lot lately. Okay. Then we're just gonna pop this over the little stemmed area. Not to cover up the stem, but a little bit lower than the stem. About right there. Try to get it on there straight. And that's it. Look at that. Once you put your goodies in there, you have this cute little bag. Isn't that cute? That's it, you guys. Yeah, we're done. Where did I put the card? Let's move all this stuff out of the way so we can see our projects nice and clear here. Look at that. This is the September 2023 With Love and Gratitude Paper Pumpkin Kit. Don't forget about the add-on of the journal. Okay, you guys, that's it. That's all. Don't forget to leave a comment, like, share, and subscribe. And as always, I want to thank you for buzzing by the Hive today. Until next time, buzz you later. Bye.